Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So first tie the hairs in the front like this and make the plaits and join it on the sides. Now on the back make the plaits like this, fold it and fix it and it's ready. Next take the hairs on the sides like this and tie it on the top. Now divide the hairs into two parts and make the plaits on it. Now on the top we will make the plaits on the hairs which we make the ponytail like this. Now fold it and make a bun, fix it properly by rolling it and fix it using the rubber bands and it's ready. Next, we will tie the hairs on the back. Now take the hairs from the sides and then rotate it after tying it on the back. Now divide the hairs into two parts, make the plaits and fold it and fix it and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, you have to tie the hairs on the sides like this and then fix the thread on the hairs. Divide the hairs into 3 to 4 parts and fix the threads like this by making the plaits on the each section. After that, now roll the hairs upward of one section like this and fix it on the top and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail on the top. Now fix this beautiful hairband on the hairs. Now to fix the ribbon on it, we will make the plaits on the hairs like this by taking the hairs from the back and the sides. Join it till the end in the same manner. Watch the technique very carefully how we are fixing the hairs. Now at the end, fix the hairs using the ribbon like this and it's ready. You have to make a ponytail on the side like this, divide the hairs, divide it from the between as well and then rotate it like this. After rotating it, fix them into each other and fix the hairs on the top. Now divide it and fix the threads and it's ready. Next we will tie the hairs on the top. Now join it on the back in the line like this and then divide the hairs into small sections using the rubber bands. Tie it till the end. After tying the hairs till the end in the same manner, pull out the hairs from the sides little bit as shown in the video and it's ready. Now tie the hairs, make a heart-like shape on the top by fixing it like this. After that, we will take the hairs on the back, join it like this using the rubber bands, tie it and your hairstyle is ready. Thanks for watching our video.